The allegations against Weinstein launched the Me Too movement, but tonight it's unclear where the jury in his case stands.
They sent a note late this afternoon saying they are deadlocked on the two most serious charges against the movie mogul. CBS 2's Valerie Castro live tonight outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan with the details. Valerie.
Christina Maurice, today the jury indicated that they seem to have reached a decision on the lesser charges in this case, but they will take the weekend to go over the most serious counts that could put Harvey Weinstein away for life.
How are you feeling?
Harvey Weinstein left the Lower Manhattan courtroom Friday, his future still unknown, as the jury went home without reaching a final verdict. After 4 days of deliberation, the jury submitted a note to the court in the afternoon asking if they could be deadlocked on the two charges of predatory rape if they were unanimous on the other three lesser charges. The charges they are hung up on are the most serious. Count 1 is predatory sexual assault. It involves the alleged attacks on Miriam Haley and Annabella Sciorra. Count 3 is predatory sexual assault involving the alleged attacks on Jessica Mann and again Annabella Sciorra. Attorney and legal advisor Angela Dorn believes the fact the jury has made it this far spells bad news for Harvey Weinstein.
Logic would dictate that they're likely considering that count because they've already decided that he's guilty of rape or some other sexual assault.
Annabella Sciorra's rape claim from the early 90s is past the statute of limitations, but it is being used for the two counts of predatory sexual assault to show a pattern. Both Mann and Haley testified that Weinstein raped them. Weinstein's defense argued the women engaged in consensual transactional relationships to advance their careers and says the prosecution has no forensic evidence to prove otherwise. As for the jury's partial verdict, while the defense said it was willing to accept it, prosecutors were not. The judge instructed the jury to deliberate further and eventually release them for the weekend.
I think that the judge was right to send them back for further deliberations. A lot of time and effort has gone into this, and what you really want is to have a conclusion on all counts if you can figure it out.
The jury will reconvene here first thing Monday morning. Outside Manhattan Criminal Court, Valerie Castro, CBS 2 News.